Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock a document in Google Docs. So in here, I've already opened my document on Google Docs, and if you want to, let's say, share a file to your colleagues or friends, but you don't want them to edit it, so you can lock the document by following these steps right here. So you can click on the share button, and then here you can just click on save again. Don't forget to name the file, and then after this you can see the general access, so you need to change it with anyone with the link. So click on it and choose anyone with the link, and after that in here you can choose the rule by clicking on this drop down. So if you want to lock, let's say lock the file, what you need to do is just set the rule as only as a viewer. So when they open the file, the access is locked, so they can only view the file but not comment it, not comment or edit it. So you can just click on viewer and then click on copy link, click on that, and then you can share the file. Or you can also try to find an extension from the Google Workspace. Here you can click on get add-ons and find if there's any lock feature on the add-ons, lock app, sorry. You can just find lock as the keyword. Okay, so apparently there is this lock file add-on, so you can just click on it. Here you can prevent accidental editing by locking your Google Drive file. So it includes the Google Docs. You can install it. So as you guys can see, this is the prevent accidental editing. So it's actually the same with the steps that I'll show you before. So you can just choose either way. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.